What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl, the SES, exploring all the fine things in life, and your girl is back with another video for you guys. It's one of our favorite videos, one of my favorite videos that I like to do on my channel, which is another unboxing video, as you guys can tell from the title. Recently, I've been on a search for a new wallet. The original wallet that I wanted was actually really pricey, but then after doing some more searching, I thought what a perfect idea to get a wallet straight from Coach that also matches my Coach notebook and matches my Coach pencil case. So here it is right here. This is the medium corner zip wallet, signature Canva from Coach. But before I get into this unboxing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to see more videos from me, your girl, as well as hit that like button so other viewers can reach videos just like this. Let's get into this unboxing. All right, you guys, as I was saying in the beginning of my video, I was on a search for a wallet. I did find a wallet that I really love, but it is on the pricier side. So your girl had to kind of, humble thyself. And I decided to do some searching, and your girl went back to one of my favorites, Coach, the Coach brand, for now, to caught me a wallet because I've been rocking my Louis Vuitton 6-ring wallet. I call it a wallet for a very long time, but it was time for me to actually get an actual wallet. Okay, I was tired of stuffing stuff in my LV 6-ring wallet. Anyways, beyond the point. So this is the wallet, came in the mail. It's in tan brown. Okay. Y'all know where I unboxed it first with y'all. Okay. I got this online. I actually went to the outlet recently and I actually saw it, and I was actually debating like, should I? I kind of procrastinated, but then after some time, I'm like, nah, I want to cop. So it has the signature sign right here. So when you go on the site, and I'll leave the link down below so you guys can take a look for yourself. They has this exact wallet, the tan brown signature canvas in this color and in black. And I actually like the black one, but this matches more with all the other Coach items that I have, so I kind of want to keep it consistent. But so this is the signature Coach, as you guys can see there. No lies told there. When you open it, okay, don't watch it. It's new. It's new, people. Okay, you have, what is that? You have right here, when you open it, you have card slots right here. You have card slots over here. Then you have obviously the where you have like your picture, you put your picture in there. Here, okay, you do have another space to put some stuff right here. Okay, a little pocket there. Ooh, there's even a little pocket on this side. I didn't realize that. So there's a lot of compartments, and then this is where you have all your big cash, you know what I'm saying? Sorry, just taking out stuff over here. And then if we close this up and open up, well, you can't even really open up, but as you can see on this side, okay. Ooh. Okay, there you have it. This is your coin purse right here. I actually have a separate coin purse wallet that I use separately, so I don't really know if I'm actually gonna use this part of the wallet. But for those who may be interested in this wallet, I'm letting you know all what it has. But there it is. It does have the gold signature, gold zipper, which I love. You guys know I love gold. Gold is my favorite color. Gold is one of my favorite colors for accessories. But there you have it, guys. Like I said, this is the medium side zip wallet in Canva, in signature Canva, tan and brown. They do have one in black as well. If you want something a little more different. If you guys have been following me and following a lot of my unboxings, you guys know that I have a Coach notebook that I actually turned into my planner, and a Coach and a Coach pencil case that I carry with me everywhere because I'm always needing to write something down. I'm actually gonna show y'all. See that? See that? See how these matches? So this is the Coach, this is the original tan and brown signature Canva Coach notebook that I actually turned into my daily planner. Let me know if you guys actually want me to show you how I transformed it. As you can see, it's not the original. Let me show you. Open it like this. Okay, so it's not the original notebook. It's literally my planner that I write all my plans for the day, all my plans and appointments. This is my pencil case. I know what you guys are thinking, like, girl, you're extra as hell. I actually always love the original Coach pattern. There is another pattern that Coach has that I really love. There's actually two. It's like a jeans material. It's the same thing like this, but it's actually jeans material. And then there's the, it's still tan and brown, but it has like seashells all over it. And even the wallet, they have a wallet with the seashells. I was so tempted to get it, but I just stuck with the original, okay? So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, show your girl some love. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite item is from Coach. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. And of course, I'll be back with another video for you guys as always, all right? Peace out.